Oh yeah. Got to get tough. G.I. Joe. Got to get tough. Yo, Joe! Good evening, YouTube. I'm back again for another video, but this time I'm gonna do some restoration. Yeah, restoring a G.I. Joe, a broken G.I. Joe. See? Here he is. I forgot his name. Shout out to my friend Onski Del Rosario for giving me this broken up Joe from his childhood. Okay, I got him like this. Obviously the rubber band has, or O-ring has worn out, and which is everybody's what's usually the problem with these vintage G.I. Joes. And great thing he has the helmet. He still has the helmet. Okay, so this is kind of this kind of restoration won't last, because what I'm going to use are Loom bands. Yeah, these are very cheap lately because it's already out of style, or should I say hindi na uso dito sa Pilipinas. Just Google what I just said. Google translate what I just said. Okay, so I'll be using a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, the smallest one I have. Could you see that? Yep. Okay. So when I do these restoration before restoring my G.I. Joes, first of all, I need a stick of Lucky Strike. Yep. I need a stick of Lucky Strikes. Yeah. And okay, let's get one stick out and off camera. Okay, there we go. And have to put my ashtray over here. Anyway, so first we have to do is we have to take off the screw, the old screw. Yeah. Okay, of course, lefty tighty, righty tighty, lefty dismantly. Okay, so there, it got out. Let me see, is it on camera? Whoops, there it is. I got it out. And then we just pry him open like this. Everything just fell out. And of course, let's zoom out a little. Whoops. Zoom out a little. Zoom out. Okay. So don't throw these parts away. And this screw, it's kind of rusty, but this is just a quick restoration. But what you have to do is you have to put this in vinegar so that the rust would go out. Okay, and then we take another drag. Okay, now let's get a loom band. But these don't last because loom bands are really bad. Usually, I think a month or a week, these will deteriorate right away. But in the meantime, while I don't have those O-rings, I'll use this. Okay, put that to the side. And oh yeah, you forgot, you have to use this. It comes with every pack of loom bands usually, or the China-made local kind. Okay, put that down. And then I usually use more than one. In this case, I think I should use 3. Okay, now this is what you do. You put it, you see the hook it up like that. So it's nice and tuggy, and then we just use this part. We just use this thing, put it there, and then we get this hip part, and then we put it in, and make sure that it's on the right way. But if not, well, you could always undo it. Okay, good there. So it's nice and tighty, and then I already took off the part. Oh yeah, forgot. Take this off. Yeah, put over there. Okay, another drag. Okay, now you put it in like that, obviously, but you see it's kind of still loose. So what I do, I just double it up Let me see if you can see it on camera. You see that? See it? There. You double it up. There. Then make sure that they're all in the central part. So you could use this to take it off a little. Yeah. So this is like, now he's kind of tight. And then what I do, so it won't fall off, I put this part right away. There. And you snap the head on. And you just open it a little and shake. He's almost finished. And make sure that you put the hands on the right place. Let's... Got to get tough, yo Joe. Got to get rough, yo Joe. Okay, I know there are better reviews, better restoration videos than what I'm doing, but I'm just showing you what I do, personally I do. Sometimes the stuff comes off, so just have to do it again. Yep. Come on, man. Okay, the head. It popped off again. Yep, and then you squeeze it together. There. Nice and tight. Well, kinda. What I do sometimes, I twist it another one. Yeah. And next, let's put the screw back. Because it's a little rusty, let's kind of scratch it a little. Okay. And then remember, righty-tighty, lefty unscrewy. Lefty, righty. And I remember at retroblasting, they say don't over tighten the screws. Is it getting in? Oops, there. I'm sorry. It's not getting in. Is it getting in? Are you in? Yeah. There. Okay. Now he's back in action. So what we do now, we put this back on. So we look cool. Okay. There, he has it on. Still kind of loose, so you just tighten it up a little bit. But I think it's by age. No. Yeah, it's kind of tight now. Just so that he could hold the gun. And then, another drag, please. And then, from my stash of bootleg guns, we choose a gun for him. Just check out yojo.com for the proper gun. See, I got a lot of guns, a lot of weapons. Okay, just check out yojo.com for the proper weapons. But in this case, I'll just use this one's Snake Eyes. I know this is Snake Eyes. You don't use that. Here's a sniper rifle. Let's look for a machine gun. This one's one with. This has a tripod for snipering. This one looks like a. What does it look like? A snare? A sig? I don't know. This is Cobra Commander's gun. Let's look for a nice gun for you. Let's give you a nice machine gun. I liked this before, but the problem is like it has a big chunk of plastic over there. I don't know what it is actually. Shotgun. Nah. Let's just give him a sniper rifle, I guess. Yeah. Sniper rifle or last look for a gun. Oh, I like this one. Has a stock and it has a bayonet in front. And now put that to the side. Where are you? You're here? And let him have his gun. After how long? After almost a decade, I guess, he's finally with a weapon. And I wonder if he still knows how to use it. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. You stand. And voila. See? There he is. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye, YouTube.